In this video, I will show you how that the camera following the player. Go to the scripts folder, create a new C# script, and name it follow player. Open the script. Create the variable for transform. This will get the position of the game object. Create a variable for vector. Save and get back to Unity. Go to the camera. Drag the follow player script to the camera. Drag the player game object to the camera script. Copy the position of the current camera, and paste that in offset section. Offset is the position of the camera in gameplay. Yeah, it's working perfectly. In next video, I will show you how to add jump and gravity to the player. If you enjoy this video, give me a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.